Fresh grouper sauteed with vine-ripened tomatoes and pimento-stuffed olives. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are cooking a one-skillet meal and making sauteed grouper fillets in tomato olive sauce. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Poke holes into grouper using a fork on both sides. Sprinkle fish with salt and pepper. Set aside. Take a moment to like and share this recipe. Check out our channel for other easy fish recipes. If you like what you see, subscribe below. This small act helps our channel grow. Prep veggies by chopping an onion. Smash and roughly chop garlic. Grab pimento-stuffed olives and slice them. Remove seeds from and dice tomatoes. Remove the stem and seeds from jalapeno pepper. Mince the pepper and set veggies aside. Over medium heat, spray a large skillet with nonstick spray and coat it with olive oil. Add fish to the skillet, meaty side down. Cook 3 to 4 minutes and remove from heat. Place fish onto a plate. Add onions to the skillet. Combine and cook 3 to 5 minutes. Add garlic. Stir and cook 1 minute. Add the remaining tomatoes, olives, capers, and jalapeno pepper. Thoroughly combine. Pour in wine. Combine. And bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer 10 minutes. What is your favorite way to eat fish? Tell us your response in the comments below the video. After 10 minutes, stir. Return fish to the skillet. Along with any juice left on the plate. Simmer until flaky, 10 to 12 minutes. Spooning juice over the fish halfway through. Remove fish from the skillet. Remove sauce from the heat. Zest lime. Add lime zest into the skillet. Slice lime. Add lime juice to the skillet too. Combine. If you are enjoying this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share it. Also, subscribe to our channel to know when we release new recipes. Spoon tomato olive sauce over the sauteed fish. Tear pieces of fresh basil and garnish over grouper, along with lime wedges. Now this is good eating. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.